beep.
Okay, Mike. Be a good one.
Anybody wants coffee? Kim. Coffee?
Trying to gouge the price. Just order it. Yeah, no, I'll handle it later. Okay, well, I have to go. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Don't ever get married. But if you do, give me a call.
Well, Kim, I just never found the right girl. But I'm lucky tonight, though.
Wow, please. After one night, you get tired of me. Are you all right?
Leave her alone, man. She's been quiet the whole night. I'm pretty sure driving around with strangers could be a little stressful. It's not easy as it looks.
Mike? Where are you going?
Kim. Thank you for having us over your home.
Oh, hey, what are you doing here? My wallet, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, it's been like seriously the longest day. I'll give you a tip, I promise, and if I...
Beep beep.